What's up, guys? So I got a little package in the mail. I have no idea what the hell it is. Sometimes I order stuff and I forget about it, and sometimes you guys send me shit and it's pretty cool. This one doesn't really say what it is, and the name on it is my old website name, so I have no idea what this is. But I guess we could open it right now and see what the hell it is. Let's check it out. We'll just rip right into it. All right. What the hell is this? Oh, all right. I ordered this. So, check this out. It's these gloves. They're made out of goat leather, I believe. They're soft. They're made for pretty much anything. If you're riding motorcycles or gardening or whatever, it's made for all that. But the reason I ordered them is because I'm gonna be doing a show. I'm gonna be putting a show together, and what I'm gonna be doing is giving each artist one of these gloves, and we're gonna display them. You're gonna do your artwork on it, create something out of this glove. I don't care if you tear it up and build something out of it, or just paint on it, or do pen work, tattoo it, whatever. It's leather, you could tattoo it, you could paint it with shoe paint, whatever. You gotta hit me up to see if you want one of these gloves for the show. I don't know exactly when the show's gonna be. I'm just now working on the flyer, but I've been painting these gloves for a minute now. There was this guy down the street here, owns a shop called Hawk Savage, that he actually had me paint one of these gloves or actually two gloves for his show, or maybe we'll do a two glove show. I don't know, one glove, two gloves. We'll figure that out. But so he had me paint one of these gloves for his show, and I fell in love with the pen work. I ended up doing like tattoo style work on the gloves, and it was just fun to paint. And then the way he displayed it, he had this vintage. So his shop is basically like a vintage goods. He sells all kinds of like curiosities, I don't know, but it's all vintage stuff. And he had these cool little stands that where the glove basically was displayed like this. Some of them were displayed upside down like that, but they were hanging, and they look really cool. So I ordered these gloves, and yeah, so I'm gonna do that show, put that show together. If you want to be a part of it, send me a message. Send me a link to your artwork. We're gonna pick like the best of the best for this show. We're not gonna have very many gloves to hand out. We're gonna make it like a 20-person show at the most. Maybe it'll get cut down to like 15 or something. I'm not exactly sure, but the show is happening, and the name of the show is, all right, hold on. So the name of the show is Glove Affair. And let's see here. Let's get the poster going so I can show you guys. And now you can see basically here's the beginnings of the flyer. It's got a picture of a glove that's all done with pen and everything, floating, you know what I'm saying, casting the little shadow. And then I'll have all the info on here. We'll have a second flyer with the name of all the artists, which would be the back of the flyer, but since we don't do paper flyers no more, it'll just be a second flyer. And yeah, it'll be a badass show. It'll most likely be here in Arizona. If not, we'll probably have it out there in LA or San Diego. I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna do the show. This is all just stuff I've been working on for a while, and I finally got the gloves. I ordered a few just to test them out to see if I was gonna like them, and they look fine. I'm gonna paint on them with a few different types of paint, some acrylic, some pen work, some leather paint, and just see how it sticks, see how it works out, see if it's stretchy, if it's gonna break the paint or whatever. I don't know, just some testing, We'll come up with a date, where it's gonna be, all that good stuff. So if you want to be a part of the show, let me know. Send me a message. Go to my website and leave me a message in there. There's a way to contact me on the website, www.spock.co. And let's make it a great show. What I want to do is actually The proceeds from all the gloves will go to a charity, and we're able to help a good cause. I have a few in mind, but until then, I don't know exactly all the details. This was just supposed to be an unboxing, but it turned into basically, yeah, there's a show coming, so be ready. All right, well, thank you guys, and sorry it wasn't a regular unboxing, but at least now you got some info. If you're an artist out there, if you know an artist that might want to be a part of it, send them my way, and let's get this shit going. Later.